Good morning mga bata. Today, we're going to study the reciprocals and divisions of fractions. To start with, let's read this. A reciprocal or multiplicative inverse is simply one of a pair of numbers that when multiplied together equals 1. Simply interchange the numerator and the denominator to get the reciprocal of a number. Let's have example number 1. You have 26. To get the reciprocal of 26, you will just exchange the numerator and the denominator. 26 will become 6 halves. And when you multiply this, you will have 2 times 6, we have 12. And 6 times 2, we have 12. When you have the same numerator and denominator, it is equivalent to 1. So when you multiply the fraction by its reciprocal, your answer is 1. So let's have example number 2. What is the reciprocal of 5? So we have a whole number. In this case, di ba sanay na kayo how to change a whole number into a fraction? You will write 1 underneath. And you will get the reciprocal. Pagpapalitin nyo lang, yung 5/1 will become 1/5. So if you're going to multiply this, you will have 5/5 or 1. I have another example. This is example number 3. We have a mixed number, 2 and 1/3. So, we have to change the mixed number to improper fraction first by multiply the denominator and the whole number, itong dalawa. 3 times 2, we have 6. Step 2, add the product. Yung 6 plus the numerator, we have 6 plus 1. We have 7. And copy the denominator. Itong denominator na to, we will just copy. So, we have 7/3. So, pwede na natin kuhanin ang reciprocal. So, 7/3 times 3, 7. So, yung kabaliktaran lang niya. So, when you multiply, we have 21 over 21. Or 1. That is reciprocals. Ito yung gagawin nyo sa activity 1 and activity 2 of activity sheet 1.7. Let's go to dividing fractions. We have fraction divided by another fraction. So, step 1, get the reciprocal of the divisor. Alin ba divisor dito? Itong 1/4. So, ano ba yung reciprocal niya? Yung 1/4 naging 4, 1. Step 2, change the operation to multiplication. Ito daw, gagawin nating multiplication. Then, step 3, copy the dividend. Ito yung ating dividend. So, kokopyahin mo lang siya. Okay? Step 4, multiply across. So, i-multiply mo lang 2 times 4. We have 8. 3 times 1, we have 3. And lagi kong sinasabi, the last step is always simplify your answer if possible. So, this is possible to simplify kasi improper fraction siya. So, gagawin natin siyang mixed number. So, we have 8 divided by 3. We have 2 times 3 equals 6. So, sanay naman kayong mag-divide. So, ito yung makukuha nyo. So, it means you will have 2 and 2/3. This is dividing fraction by another fraction. How about if we have a whole number via fraction? So, step 1, change the whole number, this one. change the whole number to a fraction. So, paano nga yun? So, lalagyan lang natin siya ng over 1. So, step 2, got the reciprocal of the divisor. Alin nga ang divisor? We have 2/3. Kukuhanin natin. So, ayan na. Then, change the operation to multiplication. This one will become multiply. Copy the dividend. We have 5/1. Multiply across. So, 5 times 3 over 2. 1 times 2 yun. Improper fraction siya. So, we are going to simplify our answer. So, we have 15 divided by 2. We have 7. So, the answer is 7 1/2. I hope you understand. Okay? So, you may work on your activity sheet now. Tandaan, kailangan natin ng solution and you will write your answer on the activities sheet itself. Doon din kayo magsusulat ng sagot at ng solution. Happy learning! Goodbye, class!